This video is a 10-minute ball Pilates to tone. Hi, my name is Jessie, and since this is such a short video, we're going to dive right in. We'll begin by warming up. Just bring the left hand to the right knee, right hand back behind. Just turn to the right side. Warming up the spine. It's really important to warm up. Good job. Turn to the left. Right hand on the left knee, left hand back behind us on the back. Try to sit up tall, engage your core. Just look over that left shoulder. Good job. Come back to center. Do some little circles. Check out my belly dancing videos. These hip circles will be covered. It's a really good way to tone the belly. Good job. And then just bring the hands onto the mat, under the shoulders. Take the ball, put it underneath the knees, right above the knees, actually, on the thighs. On the in-breath, engage your core, roll yourself up onto the ball. Exhale, roll it back. Good job. Again, inhale, roll up. Exhale, roll back. Again. That's 3, 4, and 5. Good job. Next time, just push the mat away with the hands. Slowly bring your feet up. Push your shoulders down. Good job. Come back up. Push the mat away with the hands. Bring the heels up. Push your shoulders down. This will work the glutes. Again. Take a wider stance with your feet when you lift the glutes up if you like. And again, good job. Come up to work the arms. We're going to hug the elbows into the sides, slowly come down. Inhale back up. We'll do 5 of these, or just do little micro bends, if that suits you better. Good job. And then just kind of finagle the ball so that it's down back behind you more. We want to try and get it around the ankles. Good job. And then slowly roll yourself up, stop it with your toes. 2. Going into a modified pike position. 3, 4, and 5. Good job. Trying to keep your legs straight. Excellent. Then we're going to switch so that we're sitting on the ball, and we're going to just put our hands on the ball, holding on to it. Might try to get away. And we're going to push our hands into the ball. Just hold ourselves up. Lift our hips. Lift that right leg up. Bring the left leg up and out. Move with control. Right leg comes up and out. Up and out. Up and out. That's 3. Up and out. Up and out. 4, 5, and 6. That one's tricky business. Good job. Make your way down onto the mat. Just roll the ball so that it is at your feet. But first, we can grab a hold of the ball, slowly roll ourselves down, slowly with control. Engage your core, come down slowly with control. Maybe stretch the ball out, and then pass it to your legs. Have your legs stretched out, your arms along your side, and then just, we'll do 10 of these. We're driving the ball like a steering wheel, but with your feet. 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Maybe you lost the ball, maybe you didn't. Who knows? Engage your core. Bring the ball up between your lower legs. Lace your fingers together. Bring them to the back of your head. On your exhale, we're going to do crunches. Bringing the elbows to the knees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll do 5 more. Why not? 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good job. Set the ball down. Bring the feet onto the ball. Roll it out. We're going to work on single leg lifts. Engage your core. Engage your glutes. We're just going to lift the right leg up. We're going to do 5 on each side. Inhale, lift the right leg up. Set it back down. Lift the left leg up. Set it back down. Right. 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, and 5. Good job. Next, we're just going to take the ball and the legs, lift it up, set it back down, pushing the stomach and low back to the floor. Bring it up, engage your core, push the stomach and low back to the floor, lift your head and shoulders up. 3, 4, and 5. You can do this. Next, just take the ball, lift it up, pass it to the hands, engage the core, push the stomach and low back into the floor. Good old double leg stretch. Drop it back down, pass it back to the feet. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now that it's in your hands, you can just do little circles. 2, 3, 4, 5. On the right side, reverse. 1. Keep your legs straight. 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep that belly button scooped in and up. Left side now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Now just place the ball by the ankles. Hi, Sadie. Go. It's like yoga with Adrienne, but in my hyper dog. And then just do big circles with your ball. 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Good job. Bring the ball down. And then slowly bring the ball to the side. Roll onto your side, push yourself up. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you love this video. Please like, subscribe, share, check me out on Instagram as well. Until next time, may love and light be yours. Namaste.